Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, we can't have watermelon moonshine without some snacks to go along with it. And I figured I was going to be making my DOTS pretzels, so I'm bringing you all along and showing you how we get her done. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because if you watched my earlier video, I showed you all how to make watermelon moonshine. Now, what goes better with watermelon moonshine besides DOTS pretzels? Well, that's exactly what we're going to be doing here today. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own DOTS pretzels. So let's go ahead and jump right into the recipe. I have canola oil here. I have some ghee, clarified butter. I have my sourdough pretzels. I have some of my Fiesta Ranch dip mix. And of course, you're gonna need some hot sauce. And then to have it all go together, of course, you need your watermelon moonshine. So, you're going to need a couple tablespoons of your ghee. Well, I have my ghee here that I've already added some dried, crushed minced garlic. I'm going to use this all up, and I'm going to sit there and add some canola oil to my ghee. Now, you're going to need at least 2 tablespoons of either butter or like what I'm using my ghee because I want to use it all up. Into that, I'm going to sit there and add 1 tablespoon of oil. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Alright, to the 2 tablespoons of ghee, I'm going to sit there and simply add 1 tablespoon of oil. And then you're going to add maybe 3 to 5 dashes of your favorite hot sauce. So let's go ahead. Add a few drops. I'm choosing to add 5 because I like the spicier things in life. And then you're gonna sit there and wanna add to that 2 tablespoons. If you don't have homemade of the Fiesta Ranch dip, go ahead, buy the packages that you can buy in the stores. And like I said, add like 2 tablespoons. And now we're just gonna sit there, give this all a good mix before we add it all to our pretzels. Okay, I brought out a bowl. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my pretzels to the bowl. It's just easier for me to mix it all up. Alright, there we go. I have my pretzels all mixed in. Now, just simply grab a hold of your DOTS pretzel flavoring mixture here. And I just like to pour a little bit over. And then I mix that up. And then I'll come back and pour a little bit more over. That way you have evenly distribution amongst the pretzels. Oh, I can't wait to lay my mouth on these pretzels. Especially when I have watermelon moonshine to go with them. Okay, let's go ahead, mix these all up. Now, I'll be sure to leave an iCard up above, so if you're interested in making your very own watermelon moonshine, you'll have the recipe and you can make your own watermelon moonshine. Oh, my mouth's already watering. Oh yeah. Like I say, I just like having my pretzels all evenly distributed with all that DOTS flavoring. Now I'm going to go and grab myself a baking sheet, so I'll be right back. Now, I'm going to go turn my oven on to 250 degrees. Okay, I think they're good enough. Now, I'm going to have to do this in a few batches because, as you see, I have a small baking tray because I am using my countertop oven because I don't want to heat the whole house up using the big oven, so I'm choosing to use my countertop oven, and I'm going to be placing that outside so I'm not heating up my house in the heat of the summer. So I'm just going to sit there dump some of these all out onto my baking sheet. Now into the 250 degree oven for about 10 minutes. And when I bring them out of the oven, I'm going to let them cool slightly, and then when they're cooled off enough, I'm just going to sit there and place them back into my container here. So let's quick go through the list of ingredients. 2 tablespoons butter or ghee, 1 tablespoon of your canola oil, 3 to 5 or more shakes of your favorite hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of your Fiesta Ranch dip. Go ahead, mix that all together. Grab a bag of your favorite pretzels. Mix that all up. Preheat your oven. Heat your oven 250 degrees. Bake 10 minutes. After baking them for 10 minutes in the 250 degree oven, we're going to allow them to cool for at least 5 minutes. Then go ahead, place them back in a container, and voila! Enjoy your DOTS pretzels. There you go. I just showed you just how easy it is to do your very own copycat recipe of DOTS pretzels. Now, we may not be able to do a lot of tailgating in 2020 here, but that doesn't mean that you can't do the tailgating from your very own sofa or your easy chair. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not yet a subscriber to my channel. Tap that little bell, that way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?